My name is Pepa Antón. I'm professor of microbiology of the University of Alicante, and I'm head of the molecular microbial ecology group. My talk will be about viruses in hypersaline environment. I'm sure you all have an idea of the relevance of hypersaline environment in the framework of astrobiology. And I'm not that sure that you have heard about much about viruses, and this will be my talk. I will be explaining how viruses control or are supposed to control microbial communities in these systems, and how resistant they are to the environmental conditions, and also how, and I mean, this is not that astrobiological, but still very interesting, and how these systems are very good models for studying virus-host interactions, because they have a very high microdiversity, low in general, not always diversity, and viruses seem to be the main factor of biological control in very high salinity hypersaline environments. So this will be my talk next Tuesday.